What's up? It's Jen. Welcome back to my channel. I have a slight problem in that I love to crochet wearables, and while technically I have the storage space for them, I end up with a lot that I don't really wear, and I've been trying really hard lately to really only make things I'm gonna wear, or if I make something for a video that I know I'm not maybe gonna wear, I will just scrap it and use that yarn for something else. So I dug through all of my various places that I keep my crocheted clothing and pulled out the stuff that I'm kind of not sure about, and I figured I would wear it and actually style it over the next week or so and decide to scrap or not to scrap. So the first one is already definitely a scrap. This top, it's just too big. I was trying something. It has some like fit issues where I actually ended up taking a machine and machine sewing it on some of the inside. It is very cute, and I really like this sort of like mesh detail I did in the back, so I might try to remake this at some point, but this one I know has got to go. This one I made a very, very, very long time ago. This was like the first time that I learned how to make like bra cups essentially, but for a tank top you make it longer. This yarn is very soft, and I have worn this a few times, but it's very short and thin, and I don't know if that's really my vibe anymore, so we'll see about that. This one is very cute, and I love the color and the stitch, but it is acrylic and a tank top, so there's not really a lot of times that you can pull that off in the summer, so we'll see about this one too. Same with this one, very cute and fun. Obviously I didn't do a very good job weaving in my ends, so if I decide to keep it, it will need to be fixed. But this scrappy tank top is another one that it's cute, and I've worn it before, but it's like, how many tank tops does one girl need? This one I love this color, I love the shape. It is kind of adapted from a TCDDIY free video pattern. I will see if I can find it and link it. I had some trouble figuring it out, so there was a couple things I sort of just took some liberties on, but another really beautiful one. This one, this is another one that I had to sew because it ended up being too big. It's just a tube top. Love the color. It may or may not be too close to my skin tone. We'll have to see what happens with that. This one I think is gorgeous. I think I've linked it before, so I will see if I can find the pattern for this square, and then I made a top around it. This looks fairly good, I think, but this was the first time I ever tried to do puff sleeves, and I just, being, you know, a professional, I can look at this and like see the flaws. I also ran out of the one color, so I used this more like yellowy color, and I integrated it into the back and stuff, which I also had to seam up because it was too big, so that it looks intentional, but I don't really love the yellowiness of this cream color. So I kind of have a feeling that I might want to redo this, but I want to just like style it and make sure I even like it. If not, I will definitely not be scrapping the square. I will just scrap the shirt around it, but this might be a remake. Then last, I think this is probably going to be what I wear today. It's just this cropped rainbow sleeve little boxy t-shirt. I think I made this at like the end of the summer, maybe last year. So I just like never really had a chance to wear it. It is very rainy today, so we are actually not in a heat advisory for the first time in a couple weeks. So this seems like the perfect day to wear this one. So I will throw an outfit together and show you what it looks like. But yeah, this top is definitely going to be a keep. At first I wasn't really sure, because sometimes if you use too thick of yarn on sleeves, like it can get bulky under your armpits and kind of be uncomfortable, but I was able to kind of like wiggle around and figure that out. But yeah, it's really comfy and cute, and we ran a couple errands and we ended up going to the grocery store, and it was freezing in there, so this helped keep my shoulders warm a little bit. So off to a good start. This one is a not scrap. Okay, so this is today's outfit. I'm not feeling very well today, so I just still have on like lounge shorts, but I wanted to still like put on some jewelry and a cute top to kind of hopefully make myself feel a little better. This is cute, not the necklace, the shirt. The shirt is cute, but it's not like, I'm not like overjoyed to wear it. Like, I really try, whether I'm purchasing clothing secondhand or new, I still really try, or making something, I try to like really make sure that it's something that I'm excited to wear, and that's just not the case with this. So this one's gonna be a scrap. Okay, so my original intention was to like wear these tops for the whole day and then give you my thoughts, but a couple of these, like just putting it on, I know I want to keep it. I was actually not too sure about this one. I don't really remember what brand of yarn this is. It's been a while. It's not as soft as the ones, I'm sitting here petting myself. It's not as soft as the yarn that I usually get, but, and this was one that I washed with the ill-fated Hobby Lobby. I love this cotton yarn that sheds all over everything in the wash, so I need to lint roll it because there are little blue fuzzies all over it. But I just think this like cut is super cute. The color is gorgeous. It's obviously summer, so this video I think is coming out a little bit later, so it's almost August, so it's hot, but in the fall I like to wear this with pants. But yeah, this one's really cute. I'm definitely gonna be keeping it. Okay, so this one, I love it. It's so cute. I think the color is fine. It's adorable, but I wanted to wear this one while I'm just hanging out at home because I didn't want to brave like going out in public not knowing the amount of slippage this would have. I do feel like I find myself pulling it up. I don't want to get rid of it though, so I think I might. I actually took it in the back. There's like a sewn seam, so I wonder if I scrap this and redo it, if I will have enough left to do like a halter strap or something. Like, I love this silhouette of the strapless, but I think it's gonna be too much hassle, and I'm not gonna wear it like this, especially if I have to be like doing this all the time. So I think I might do that. So this one will be a scrap and then remake with a strap. I also forgot to mention, I tried this one on, and it's gonna be a scrap. It doesn't fit quite right. The cups are like not in the right spot, and there's a couple of like random holes in it that I don't even understand how they got there. And like the strap, I think some of the seams are like sewn in backwards. This is one of the first wearables that I ever made when I first got like really into that, so it was good for a first try. But yeah, this one's gonna be a scrap too. Okay, so I'm about to go run some errands, and I really wanted to give this one a try, but it's like 95 degrees out, and I'm just standing here in my bedroom, and my back is already starting to feel a little sweaty. So I think that is not a smart idea. I do love this one. It is like a pinch big. I was thinking though, I can probably find this color in a cotton and maybe remake this one that fits a little better, maybe a little longer. Like this is okay, but I usually like a little less midriff. But yeah, I think this is definitely like a redo in a more summer appropriate yarn. Alright, so this is the last one. I'm just kind of hanging around the house doing some work today, so this is not a horrible heat wave mess like some of the other ones. I do still really love the silhouette, and I actually really like this outfit with sort of the like monochrome that's happening, and then just bringing in a slightly darker shade with the sandals. I actually think I'll keep this one. I know I said I might redo it as well, but like honestly, the seam in the back is fine, and even though I would construct the puffs differently now, I think they look fine. And it fits well, and I really like the neckline, and I actually don't mind the like two-tone now that I have it on again, so I think this one will be a not scrap. I hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I did making it. It was actually really fun and super helpful for me. If you did like it and you want to see more from me, feel free to subscribe. I post videos 2 to 3 times a month. Thanks so much for watching this one. See you next time.